What if one of the most legendary Camaros ever built was transformed into a 430-plus horsepower masterpiece worth $250,000? Let's fire it up. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredible machine that perfectly blends classic American muscle with modern performance. This is the breathtaking 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod, a professionally built masterpiece valued at $250,000. Every inch of this car has been carefully upgraded while preserving the timeless design that made the 1969 Camaro one of the most iconic muscle cars ever created. The moment this Camaro comes into view, it commands attention. Its gorgeous paint reflects like glass, the body lines are laser straight, and every chrome detail shines with exceptional quality. From the aggressive front grille to the custom taillights, this isn't simply a restored classic, it's a carefully crafted work of automotive art. The doors and trunk operate with smooth precision, proving that the craftsmanship extends far beyond what meets the eye. But this Camaro's true personality comes alive when you lift the hood. Powering this Restomod is a Smeding Performance 383 cubic inch crate V8, model 383E5. This isn't an ordinary small block Chevrolet engine. It's a high-performance stroker V8 engineered for serious street performance and dependable reliability. Equipped with aftermarket aluminum cylinder heads and Smeding 1.5 ratio roller rockers, the engine breathes efficiently while delivering strong power throughout the RPM range. Fuel is supplied by an Edelbrock Warntfino 7 750 CFM 4-barrel carburetor, giving the engine the airflow it needs to unleash impressive performance. Turn the key, and the 383 erupts with that unmistakable American V8 rumble. Every pulse through the exhaust reminds you why classic muscle cars continue to captivate enthusiasts around the world. Producing an estimated 430 to 460 horsepower and roughly 450 to 470 pound-feet of torque, this Camaro delivers exhilarating acceleration while maintaining excellent street manners. Whether cruising through town or opening up on a long highway, the power is immediate, smooth, and endlessly satisfying. Backing this powerful engine is the trusted 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission. Unlike older 3-speed automatics, the overdrive 4th gear allows this Camaro to cruise comfortably at highway speeds while reducing engine RPM. The result is better fuel efficiency, less engine wear, and a far more enjoyable driving experience during extended trips. Power is delivered to a legendary GM 12-bolt rear axle, equipped with an approximately 3.73 ball-1 gear ratio and a Posi limited slip differential. This combination gives the Camaro explosive launches, excellent traction, and confident acceleration whenever the throttle is pressed. Performance isn't just about horsepower, it's about control. This Camaro features an upgraded front independent suspension fitted with CPP tubular upper and lower control arms. These modern suspension components significantly improve steering response, stability, and handling compared to the original factory setup. At the rear, the traditional leaf spring suspension has been enhanced with a Hotchkiss rear sway bar, reducing body roll and helping the car remain composed through corners. Stopping power has also received a major upgrade. Large power disc brakes at both the front and rear provide confident, modern braking performance. Whether driving through city traffic or enjoying spirited weekend cruising, this Camaro delivers braking capability worthy of its impressive power. The stance is absolutely perfect thanks to 17-inch billet specialties wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich G-Force Sport Comp 2 performance tires. Up front are 235/45 ZR17 tires, while the rear wears wider 255/45 ZR17 rubber, giving the Camaro an aggressive appearance and exceptional grip. The combination of modern wheels and classic bodywork creates an unforgettable visual balance between heritage and performance. Then there's the soundtrack. A custom 3-inch stainless steel dual exhaust system flows through an X pipe before exiting through premium MagnaFlow mufflers. The result is a deep, powerful exhaust note that's aggressive without being overwhelming. At idle, it has that unmistakable muscle car heartbeat. Under acceleration, It transforms into a thunderous roar that demands attention everywhere it goes. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior beautifully combines vintage styling with modern comfort. Custom bucket seats provide excellent support, while the center console adds both style and functionality. A B&M Performance shifter sits within easy reach, offering a sporty driving feel that matches the Camaro's upgraded performance. The cabin also includes custom gauges that provide accurate engine information while maintaining a clean, custom appearance. Front and rear seat belts, shoulder belts, rear bucket seats, and integrated cup holders make the interior practical enough for everyday enjoyment without sacrificing its performance-focused character. Even underneath, this Camaro tells the story of meticulous craftsmanship. A new fuel tank, new exhaust system, beautifully finished cross members, a solid core support, straight front frame horns, clean undercoating, and rockers in excellent condition demonstrate that no detail was overlooked during the build. What truly makes this Camaro special is its balance. It retains all the emotion and unmistakable styling of the legendary 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, while incorporating carefully selected upgrades that dramatically improve performance, reliability, comfort, and drivability. This is the type of car that feels equally at home at a prestigious car show, on a scenic highway, or parked proudly in a private collector's garage. With its professionally built Smeding 383 stroker V8, upgraded suspension, 4-speed overdrive transmission, limited slip differential, 4-wheel power disc brakes, a premium exhaust system, and beautifully crafted custom interior, it's easy to understand why this remarkable Restomod commands a value of $250,000. This isn't simply transportation. It isn't merely a restored classic. It's a celebration of American muscle, modern engineering, and timeless automotive passion brought together into one unforgettable machine. If you had the opportunity to own this incredible 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod, would you keep it as a pristine showpiece or take it out on the open road to let that incredible V8 sing? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cinematic tour of one of the finest Camaro Restomods ever built, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible classic and collector car feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.